This is a birthday present from my friend. Hello everyone. How are you guys doing? I really had a long week. Like the whole week I've been working crazy. So today I want to do unboxing video for this. This is a birthday present from my friend. So she bought me last a few days ago. So it's finally here. Let's see what it is. I'm going to Formula One day one practice, so you know I love Lewis Hamilton. So this is just a classic cap. I saw it's two different design, which is like white line over here, and this is like pure red. So I ordered this. Oh, it's not bad. It's not bad. See, because my face is like kind of small. Okay. Really thanks to my friend who bought me this. Last year she bought me the cap as well, but not this. I like Lee Min-ho, a K-drama actor, so she bought me the same cap with him, and I lost it in Malaysia. Okay, I won't be lost this again. I promise. I promise. Thank you for watching. Okay, see you on next week Friday. Bye.